past perfect tense is used to describe an action that happened before an action in the simple past. The formula is subject plus had plus past participle. We can use the past perfect to tell us which event happened first. For example, if we add the word had to this sentence, Peter had moved to Paris, we know that this action happened first. But if we put had in the other sentence, Mary had found a job in Paris, now this action happened first. Here's an example. He failed his test because he hadn't studied. Here we use the past perfect tense to describe the first action and the past tense to describe the second action. Another example. She had not seen snow until she visited Canada. Again, we use the past perfect to describe the first action and the past simple to describe the second action. Here we can write, she had not seen a kangaroo until she went to Australia. Here we use had not seen to show that this event came first. In example number 2, we can say, when he arrived to the train station, the train had left. We use had left to show that this event happened before he arrived. In our next example, we can say, he had been a construction worker before he became an architect. Another example, he failed the exam because he hadn't studied. And our last example, he traveled to the United States because he had studied English. This could be you. Using the past perfect can change the meaning of a sentence. Let's compare the two sentences. When he arrived, the train left, versus when he arrived, the train had left. In the first sentence, when he arrived, the train left, this means he arrived and the train left immediately after. But if we say, when he arrived, the train had left, this means that the train left first, and then he arrived. So, he missed the train.